In this video, you're going to learn how to make transparent effect in Photoshop. First, we will blur this image and make it our background. We will go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and adjust like this. We go to the file, then choose Place Embedded. Select your image and click Place. If you select the image that has a background, we need to remove the background. You can learn how to remove background by watching this video. If it's a PNG image, you right click on the smart object and convert to layer. You then create a mask and apply the mask on the image. Then you duplicate the layer. On the top layer, you select the area you want to be transparent. Then you go to Image, Adjustment, and Desaturate. We hide the lower layer and change the blend mode to screen. We then press Ctrl L for the level adjustment layer and adjust like this and click OK. We then add layer mask, select the brush with the top color as black and brush like this. We then reveal the layer below and hold the Alt key and drag the mask from here down to copy. We then invert the mask by pressing Ctrl I. We go to File menu, choose Place Embedded and select this image and click Place. We convert the smart object to layer, then adjust to fit our image. We hold the Ctrl and drag the image to fit in like this. You then select the marks on the top layer and select your brush tool, making sure the color is white, and brush like this. This is how you create a transparent effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to get access to more videos, and keep learning and keep creating. You can also take out time to watch these videos after this. Thank you.